What would you do for the whole box? Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what you guys are normally used to because we're going on a road trip. I'm actually heading to Peaches of Beaches. If you guys aren't familiar what Peaches of Beaches is, it's a highway sale in Georgia, which is about a couple hundred miles long. I'm gonna head from Tampa, Florida, and drive 5 hours to Warner Robins, Georgia, to go picking. You're probably wondering, why am I driving a monster truck on this map? Well, it's my video, and I always wanted a monster truck as a kid. Something to keep in mind, when you do these highway sales, you pick up a lot of small items along the way because there's a lot of competition out there, but you always get those big scores that make it worth it. So stay to the end to make sure you see it. Good morning.
I'm a lot like my wife. I'm not that picky and willing to sell.
Right.
University of Georgia.
Right there.
What the heck is it?
It's for a fridge. This makes a good wall hanger.
It's nice.
Yeah. What do you have on this?
$2.
$2. I don't think I could pass it up for $2.
Like what?
I'll buy it for $2. This item just had that great vintage feel to it. So I thought it'd be cool for someone to hang on the wall there. I think we can get about 20, 25 bucks for it. The old beep beep phone. Little Mickey Mouse. Came to Georgia to buy Disney stuff. Yo, look at this thing.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I saw somebody walk out with a Ninja Turtle bang.
Oh, really?
I saw another person walk out with Monster High stuff.
Oh, this is... Books.
Are you all ready?
I'm ready, ma'am.
All right. $10, $11.
Okay. Is this yours?
No, it's not. My neighbor, she's probably still asleep. What you got?
Oh, she had a box of wrestling figures.
Wrestling.
I knocked on the door. They looked out the window. So.
Let me take a peek. Oh, very nice. Oh.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Sorry, I didn't see you when I
No,
even.
you're okay. I'm actually getting my you're good. I was throwing all my stuff away.
What up?
Waking people up, Rob.
Sorry, Mom.
There's some Barbies here.
I promise y'all she ain't gonna hurt
Box.
y'all.
Nope, she said she ain't coming out here with all these people.
She said I'm just doing my job.
How much are your box of figures?
I think we were gonna do them 5 apiece.
Okay.
Is what, or honestly, I really don't know.
Gotcha.
But I think we were kind of thinking like if someone wanted to buy it all as a whole.
How much were you thinking of the whole box of wrestling figures?
Trying to think because I know it. Yeah.
You're the Commonwealth picker. I always watch you, always.
You can keep the ring. I don't.
Right.
Yeah. So you can try to sell the ring. So that I'd just be interested in like the figures and stuff like that. Like these.
I got
Yeah, that figure
you.
there.
Get rid of them now, because
Let me call my husband real
Okay.
quick and see what.
Do you have a price on the Barbies too?
Those were doing 30 apiece.
30 piece. Gotcha. Okay.
We went and looked them up on everything like that. Those things are like from the freaking 80s.
Gotcha.
He said, what do you think is a good deal?
40 bucks.
He said 40. Awesome.
Cool.
Very
40 bucks.
cool.
Thank you.
you. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Morning. What we got over here? Computer. Adult books. Not what I had in mind. Are these yours?
There you go. We only got tiny bits. Yay!
Oh, they're 10.
$10.
You take 5 for them, by any chance?
Those are Michael Kors. So those
Michael's.
are $100 shoes.
Yeah. Alright, I'll give it 10 bucks for them. Sneakers?
Over 100,000 experiences.
This falls. Hey Kevin, what do you know about American Girl dolls?
They're worth money.
$100
Are you
though?
sure it's American? No. I mean, some of them.
Yeah. $30 spin. Kevin. It's missing the piece in the back too.
Hi, how are you?
Man, so many VHS this weekend. Some old Porkies. Oh, that's an old Scarface. MCA. 1989. Oh, that's Larry Bird. Oh, one of my favorites. Beetlejuice. Patagonia. Columbia. Culture hats. $1. Performance. $1. Can I pay you? There wasn't a price on this stuff.
Well,
Jeep and stuff over there.
Teddy Ruxpin's
There's
is,
like a,
these are $1.
Okay.
Like a
That's
And the
$1
clothing?
piece. No, this is,
Wasn't a price on them, so I didn't know.
okay, the Columbia.
Be like $4 for the
Okay.
windbreaker. It's a windbreaker, just so FYI.
Yeah.
And this is,
4, 5, 6, 7. $3 for this.
Okay.
and this is,
8, 9.
and then,
$1 piece. 3 for these.
Okay.
8, 9, 10, 11.
then-
and then Teddy Ruxpin's, what, 10, 20?
Teddy Robson's 10. I know
Is it
you're
10?
gonna make millions off of them,
At least 10. These probably.
and you can have the gorilla. That was mine.
Was it? Do you have the tapes for it at all? Cause
I don't. I couldn't find the
would
tape.
you do 5 for him?
Huh?
Would you do 5 for him?
No, do 10. I mean, really.
Are you gonna
We
sell?
need
What are
to
you
take
doing with
home.
it?
We need
I'm-
to take it home.
You're gonna try
I
to
was
see if you can
surprised.
sell them.
Yeah, but it's missing the tapes, so that's
Yeah.
why.
Yeah.
10's good if you don't mind. I think.
Yeah, that's a steal, really. But anyway.
All right, I'll give you 10 for it.
Awesome. Thank you.
You said 10 for that.
Yeah, so that'd be 22.
How about 20 for it all?
That's fine. Yeah.
All right. Make me feel like I at least want something. All right. All right.
I think
I appreciate you guys. Thank you. You guys want your hanger back? No. Okay. Thank you so
the
much.
Teddy will be good. Though.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
There you go. Disney magnet right there. Disney magnet.
Miles Morales. Nightmare Before Christmas. Dave couldn't have been here. There's no way he would have passed this up.
Good morning.
Morning. Do you know how much that is?
80?
80. Do you have games and stuff for it as well?
No.
No. Do you have the controllers or anything?
We do not have controllers. We do have. Oh, he's not here.
Do you know if it works?
Oh, it works fine. My grandson's another one, a new one, and he kept the controllers.
Okay. All right. Thank you. All right.
So he's 50.
Mm-hmm.
50 cents. Get in there. And he's 50. That's $1.
That's $2.
$2.
Do you have a bag?
That's $3.
There's 3 more.
Got bags. $3.
That's $1. That's $4.
So we got $4 of stuff right here.
I know.
Telephone jack.
I don't want to deal with it, man.
There you go.
I'm giving you a
No,
sticker.
no, no.
Oh, gotta be.
Oh, well, I'm not, I wasn't there.
Is yours, sir?
Very nice to meet you.
Well, I wasn't recording my generosity. Dang it. No.
I'll let it know for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that. Thank you.
You got one.
Oh, that's a fishing track. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen that before.
Golly, I gotta show these people how to do stuff. I'm sorry. There you go. In order of views, Rod, Kevin's supposed to go first.
How you doing today?
Doing good.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
So how much today?
A little bit. Y'all got any cocoa? Cocoa? Cocoa.
I said there's stuff in all.
Oh, in the back rooms? There's a blanket over there for you.
Awful.
No, did you see the blanket?
Is it a granny square?
Yep.
No. My style. Anthrax.
Go.
It's called the cassette tape.
Okay. They're all gone?
Yeah.
Did you have good ones? Rock?
Heavy metal, man.
No, man, you're breaking my heart.
Let them get away. Just let them get away with all of them. Oregon, I believe.
Well, I'm sorry I missed it. How much on this guy here? It says make an offer, but I don't want to make an offer.
You know what?
I want you to tell me how much you want for it. Princess butter.
Sir, question for you. What would you do for the whole box?
Can I count them first?
Yeah. Yeah, I was hoping to get a discount if I buy them all, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't count the ones in like. How much did you have there total?
About 44.
There's 31 here, so 75 total.
You do 150 on one?
We take 100 from them all?
Yeah, I'll do that.
200? Okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, man.
All right.
Do you have any more heavy metal stuff?
That's it.
I know what you're thinking. CDs? People pass up CDs all the time. It's a huge mistake. People don't realize that rock CDs, heavy metal CDs, hip hop CDs bring really good money. So always keep an eye out for those and at least look them up when you see them. And a little tip about CDs. CDs are real similar like books. First print, second print. Earlier prints can actually bring bigger money. We've counted all those CDs that we bought in that box for $100. And when we get done listing everything, we should be around the $375 to $400 range. We're gonna take out the individual ones that get us like 15 bucks or more, and then we'll lot a couple like the Metallica, the Kiss ones together, and put those up. The rest of them we're gonna put in a giant lot and put them up there for about 100, 150 bucks, somewhere in that ballpark. So we're gonna do really well. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because we're gonna be dropping more videos from the Peaches the Beaches here in the near future. And make sure you go check out the Commonwealth Picker and Death Pile Pickers channels if you guys haven't already. And a lot of the items that we did pick up on Peaches the Beaches here will actually be in our upcoming Whatnots. I'll put a link down in the description below. Make sure you guys go check it out. You get 15 bucks just to sign up if you're a new user. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.